Hey guys, Johnny here, and today I'm going to be replacing my rear control arms. As you see, I got these cool looking red ones. They were just like $40. Forgot what website I bought them off of. It was like a month ago. But anyways, today I'm replacing my control arm because as you see, this bushing right here is blowing out, and it's making my suspension sitting a little crooked compared to the other side. And see how this one's all straight and looks just fine. That side's, bushing's blowing out, it's crooked, and so, just get them both replaced, and it's gonna give it a much better look. All right, first things first, I'm gonna jack up the car on the side, put on these 6-ton jacks on both sides. So let me do that real quick. Look at that ghost. It's all dirty. Anywho, got the car all jacked up. Got like, 2 feet of room. Enough room to get this done. So I've got the tools and let you guys know what I need to take these bolts off, and yeah. The tools you're gonna need to take these lower rear control arms out, it's a 14 mil, and you need a 3/4 socket. If I can focus on it, there you kind of can see it. Yeah, there you go, 3/4. But yeah, the 3/4 would be for the bolts back here. That one right here, because that one's much bigger than the front, obviously, because it's 14 and 3/4. But that's just for the back. And this one, it's a 14 too. Yeah, see, it's a 14. So you just need that for both sides. So I need to grab another socket for that one so I can break that. But yeah, I'm gonna take them off. Guys, you don't need 2 ratchet wrenches for, to take this off, because the other end is like, the other bolt's welded onto the frame. So scratch that. These out yet, but I'll try these out right now. I'll let you guys know if you need it or not, but that was my mistake. Anywho, let's get this off. Just need to take this one and this one off, then we'll go on this side. Alright guys, I got the old one out. Time to put the new one back in. I'll just show you how it looks. Everything's all apart. Just strut, where it connects to the brakes and everything, and the frame right there. Tire's all crooked. Got that camber going on, but no, not about that life. But yeah, the weight difference, like this one feels, I'll say maybe 10 pounds, but this one is way lighter than that one. So one gives you less weight on the car and better looks. So I don't know, have to plus both ways. So sounds good to me. Hey guys, so it's been 2 days since I did this side. Haven't done that side yet, so I'm finally gonna do it. But anyways, it got too dark, so I was like, alright, I'm not gonna do it no more. And I had to work in the morning, so I got done with that. But anyways, this took me a while to do because it doesn't look as easy as it is. Just take that off, that and that. I mean, maybe for some people, but I ran into some issues. I just couldn't get it on, right. I had to take other things off. Like I took my 2 bolts off of my trailing arm bushing right there. You see, you can kind of see it. Anyways, yeah, I took that off, dropped the trailing arm a little bit, and that helped me get this on. And then the trailing arm bushing was kind of a pain, but I got it back in. So everything's on this side, it's bolted down like it should be. And yeah, now I'm gonna start that side. I know what to do. We'll have more of an idea what to do. Maybe even do it easier. But yeah, this is how I'm going about this job. So yeah. Alright, got it out. And this bushing's so screwed up. Alright guys, so I'm almost done with the other side. As you can see, it's dark now. It's taking me, I don't know what time it is right now. Anyways, you see my trailing arm bushing is completely screwed. I have a new one, but I can't find, or at least the like AutoZone and car part stores, they don't have the push, or fuck, what is it called? They don't have what I need to put this in, so I gotta send it to a shop. I got another one too because my other side's messed up. But anyways, had to unscrew that, goes up there. Had to unscrew that, had to take this out too, drop the whole trolling arm to the side a little bit in order to get these lined up just fine. But then after this is what I did for the other side, and I was able to get it back on all good, 100%, tighten everything down tight. But yeah, this is how it's going so far. So if you have to do this, I'm sorry, it's a pain. I'm just saying, you're gonna look forward to doing this. Alright guys, I am almost done, finally, with this job. Like, I can't put the phone in that much, but yeah, I'm tying this down right now. Trailing arm bushing to the frame. I got everything else done up. Well, I gotta tighten this and the top of my strut real quick, because I don't know why I loosened it anyways. But yeah, this looks great. I didn't weigh them, but when you guys get them and feel the difference between, like, you know, pick up the old one versus the new one, you're gonna see there's a huge difference. So that's awesome. Anyways, I'm stoked because I am almost at 1,000 views. That's not much for a YouTube channel, but it's a pretty big goal for me, and I'm thankful for you guys that support me, and you guys know who you are. I want to let you guys know that. Thank you so much, and I am almost done with this. Alright guys, I am done with installing my rear control arms. As you can see early in the video, it was a pain. And yeah, I wouldn't say this is a how-to video, but I guess you could, you know, use it as a how-to video. But anyways, I'm just gonna post it as replacing my rear control arms because I want to make a video, and yeah, I did it. But anyways, if you guys liked the video, give me a like, share, and subscribe. That'd be great. And see you in the next video. Alright, bye. Have a good day.